went to the Philippines quite a long time. No, I interviewed a few Philippines because they are the honor of this fair. And now I'm talking to a young man from Thailand.
Yes, but I'm not so young, nah. For now, I'm 40, not that young.
40 is not young anymore. So, not for the Thailander. But you are a person, I mean, you are so many things in one person because you are publisher, you are author, and you are.
Yes, I'm a lawyer too. I'm the author, writer, the translator, poet, publishers, and also a lawyer.
So, I'm interested in Thailand poetry. Just give me your very new one, recent
Yes,
one.
the most recent one is the work that I work and write with the Ukrainian poetry. Like I'm the translator and transliterate and write a new poetry in Thai, but it's from the Ukrainian.
Okay.
It's the most recent one, just
Yeah.
published this March.
Okay. So can you just poetry now in Thai?
Yes, just a moment. I need to read.
He got his book and he will read some his work
Yes,
translated from
Ukrainian poetry.
yes into
Yeah.
Thai.
ข้าจะยิ้มผ่านน้ำตาและอาลัยร่ำเพลงในถิ่นแคว้นแดนผีชั่ว แม้สิ้นหวังจะมุ่งหวังมั่นตั้งตัว จะคงชีพไม่หวาดกลัวหรือโศกา That's poetry.
You don't understand. I don't understand at least, and but it sounds like sounds like Thai.
Of course.
So you only bring your book from poetry, also other books.
Yes, for my other books I do
What book is that?
is about the person who reincarnate into another world, the fantasy world, and try to build a better country.
That's very interesting because also the Philippines and they also write, quite fantasy things and fictions, science fictions. They really it's more modern.
Yeah.
I don't want to send Germans, but they got fantasy. So what about this book?
That is a comic book. Yes, you can see
Okay.
story.
It's just like a Japanese.
Yes, it's like a Japanese style, but it come
Yeah.
from the Thai artist.
Okay.
And story come from mine.
This is your story.
Yes.
They draw this
They draw,
book
yes.
for you. Okay. And what they did in this book?
Yeah, that I said before is the fantasy story that
Okay.
when the secretary of the politicians get assassinated, he wake up in the another world, yes, to become the fighter to find the good way to build a better country
For Thai.
for Thai.
For Thailand. You see the
Some
point.
kind of the old stories in Thai, the old kingdom.
Okay, the old kingdom. I see. Okay, that's not. It's not.
Not the
about
current
now.
one.
Okay, it's about the old.
The old, very old, the ancient.
Okay. So how would you say about the nowadays? Because it's still kingdom.
Yes, Thailand now is still being the kingdom of Thailand.
Yes.
We still
kingdom.
have His Majesty the King.
Is this king used to be in Germany? They lived in Germany for quite.
Oh yes,
Is
of
this
course,
one?
but we cannot speak it so
I say I'm
loud.
sorry. I'm sorry, King. I know you
You
was
may be
in
charged
Germany.
with less majesty if you
Yeah,
you in Thailand.
I just said I know you was in Germany, therefore I thought I may ask about something about you, but no, I just definitely not. I'm talking about old kingdom. It wasn't born.
And the story of this book. Okay.
Yes. So
It's my bestseller. So
yeah. So what's your name, please, again?
As my name is Thirapat. Yes, from
Okay.
Palo Publishing.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So thank you.
in that way, thank you very much, and have a nice time in Frankfurt, and see you next time. And,
Yeah, see you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.